She died on me. Keys on, and this is what it's doing. What's happening? It's your boy Gemini For Real, and I got some bad news. She died on me. I was around her the other day, and she was everything's going good all day long. And then I went around a little more, and then it just cut off on me. So now I'm finna try to figure out what it is. It's got gas in it, keys on, and this is what it's doing. Nothing. So, gotta figure it out. So now I'm gonna check the spark plug. Hoping they ain't jump timing. I'm hoping they haven't jump timing. But I'm gonna check the spark plug first. I can smell the gas. So it's getting gas. So the kill switch was in the right position. It just feel like it's not getting gas. Like, I don't know. It feel like you're trying to start it with the kill switch off. So like I said, I'm gonna check the spark first. And I just hope it haven't jump timing. I hope nothing ain't locked up. Let me check my oil first. Because I did have a slight oil, no, it wasn't even a slight oil leak. I think on my head gasket had ripped on one side. It has oil in it. So one thing I hate about this bike, you gotta do all of this just to get to the spark plug. I missed my 125, my dirt bike. You didn't have to take no plastics off or nothing just to work on that bike. Everything is right there, it's accessible to you. Probably do a compression test on it too. Just make sure it still got. I can hit a compression in it, so I know it got compression. It's either a spark plug or it jump timing. I know it. It gotta be one of the two. Gotta be. Alright. Everything's still hooked up. Everything up here hooked up. Everything hooked up. Alright. Take this side off. Oh, I don't think I hate about it. You gotta take the gas tank off. Everything get up on it. Alright. If you don't know how to do this part, Most likely you shouldn't be trying to figure out what's wrong with your four-wheeler. Take it to somebody who know what they're doing. If you don't know how to take bolts out the plastics. Just keeping it real. So I'm gonna speed through this part again. Gas tank is off. I honestly hate taking this four-wheeler apart. So many parts you got to go through just to get the shit. Oh shit.
I'm talking 7 light to the moonlight. Yeah, I'm talking making jewels in the moonlight. Jewel, baby. Jewel, baby. Jewel, baby. Yeah. Bag it up and rain it up for me, baby. Sack it up and red up for me, baby. Sack it up and run it up for me, baby. Savage sipping on some sap shit. Jimmy, not for real. For real. Yeah. For real. Yeah. Did Jimmy, not for real.
Spark plug is mighty loose. Mighty loose. I just untwisted it with my hand. I did not put a spark plug in last. And I had it from the shop, they put it in. I had spark a little bit. I just don't like that position. So I stop. It's the same thing. Is NGK DPREZ. One is the same as the NGK DPR9Z. What's the difference? Let's find out.
A few moments later.
So, should check my sources, and it will fit. So, fuck it. It's no different. They say 8 for winter, 9 for summer. So, it's March, summer. I am a genius. That's all I do. Change spark plug. And we're out.